Welcome to Amici Pool Service in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Amici Pools is an experienced leader in reliable and high-quality swimming pool service, pool cleaning, pool maintenance, and pool equipment replacement, installation, and repairs in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. We provide outstanding service throughout Mohave County, including Lake Havasu, Parker, Topok, Golden Shores, Bullhead City, and Kingman. We offer weekly pool care services and pool equipment maintenance, as well as new pool equipment installations, including pool filters, pool pumps, pool cleaners, and pool heaters. Amici Pool is an authorized warranty repair center for top pool equipment manufacturers, including Pentair, Hayward, Jandy, Raypak, Rheem, Zodiac, CMP, and Dell Ozone. We've served Lake Havasu and Mohave County pool owners for over 25 years. Give us a call at 928-680-1115 or visit our website at amicipools.com.